How to activate Microsoft Office 2021 or Office 365 on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to check activation status. Open any Office app and go to Files then Account. Check status under product informations, and then you need to make sure to sign in with your Microsoft account. For a license tied to your account, open any Office application and sign in when prompted. Then go to File, Account and Sign in. Use Microsoft account link to your license and choose the license to activate. Now you can easily use a product key. Visit office.com or set up and sign in with your Microsoft account. And after that, you need to enter the 25 character product key and select your country and language and click Next. Download and install Office and sign in during installation to link the license to your account. And after that, you will successfully activate Microsoft Office on your device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.